Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of ZID Odoo connector in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This powerful integration tool that connects your ZID e-commerce platform with the Odoo ERP system. It enables seamless synchronization of product, order, customers and inventory between ZID and Odoo, reducing manual error data entry and improving operational efficiency. This connector helps businesses manage their online sales, stock level, and customer data in real time, ensuring accurate record and streamlined workflow across both paths. So, first of all, we will go into the settings. Here, under user and companies, we will go into the users. Here, we will go into the Michelle admin, and under others, you will find a field for ZID. Select ZID user in that. And after this, just save this settings. Now, we will go back and we will just refresh our page, and here you can see a ZID module appeared. Now, open that and here you can see no ZID store is selected right now. So, we will go into the stores and we are going to create a new store in here. Click on new. Enter your store name. I will be entering my store name as BrowseInfo. Now, here you will find in authentication progress toggle, enable that, and you can see you need to add this information. So first of all, we will be entering our store ID. We are going to enter our X Manager token. Enter your token, and under that you can see a client ID field. Enter your client ID into that. Here you can see the client ID. Now enter your redirected URL in here. So we have entered our redirected URL, and now we are going to add ZID/callback after our URL. Now after this we are going to add our client secret in here. Now after adding all this information, we are going to save this information, and you can see it will still give us error regarding invalid fields. So under products, here under product tab you will find two fields. One is for ZID warehouse. So enter your ZID warehouse and select product category. I will be selecting all in our ZID product category. Now save this information. After all this, you can see your store is BrowseInfo. Now, here you can see your ZID dashboard. Here you can see everything in here. You can see we have created our profile. Now, we will go into My Apps, open that, and here you can see the application we have just created. Here, from Create Application, you can create your own application. So I have created ZID Odoo application, and from edit button you will be redirected to this page. Now in here you need to go into this application details, open that, and in here you can see the application name, application categories, maintenance email, you can see the application website, you can see the application URL. Under that you will find redirection URL and your callback URL, which we have added into our Odoo instance. Now under that you can see the store name. Here you will find a ZID Odoo store, and here you can just save and continue. Now we are going to view our app by clicking on here. Here you can see we have been redirected to our store. Here you can see the app market, and here you can see ZID Odoo app. Here we have been redirected to the store. Now after this we are going into our Odoo instance, and in here we are going to connect with ZID. So just click on this button and you can see we have been connected with ZID. As soon as you see, you will find a connected banner. Here you can see the refresh token and access token has been updated after connecting with ZID. And in here you will also find one thing, that in authentication progress toggle button is enabled as we have been connected, and here you can see your ZID store is successfully connected. Now under customer tab, here you will find a customer tab. Under that you will find a toggle button is customer log. So enable that toggle and you can see that a log will appear under import customers. So now we are going to import our customers by clicking on import customers, and here you can see you will get a success notification in here. So in log also you can see that the log type is contact, the log name, you can see 2 log are imported and you can see the date and time of that log. You can open it and you can check your logs in here. Here you can see 2 contacts which has been imported into our Odoo from Zid. Close this. Now we are going into the sales module. Open that. Under orders we will go into the customers. Here we will go into the customer, remove customer invoice, and in here you will find the 2 new customer which are being imported. Here you can see the new customer 1, and after that you can see another customer 1 in here. You can see the 2 customer which was imported into the Odoo is being able to see in sales module. So now again we will go into our Zid store. Here after customers you can see the log history into that. Here we will go into the customer in our Zid account, and here you can see the 2 customers which we just imported into our Odoo system. So now again we will come into our Odoo instance, and here you will find a tab for products. Here you can see again you will find a toggle button for is product log. Enable that toggle button and here you can see the product log history. Now click on import products and you will find another for export products. So we are going to click right now on import products, and you can see a error will generate saying SAR is inactive. So we need to active our currency SAR from settings. So now done from the settings, we will be going into our invoicing, and under configuration of invoicing you will find a menu for currencies. Open that, search for SAR, and here you can see SAR Saudi Riyal currency. Just active that. After activating this, again we will hop on to our Zid module. Open that. We will go into our stores. Open your store. Again in the products we are going to import our products. Click on import products, and here you can see that 44 products are successfully imported into your Odoo instance from Zid. You can open it and you can see the products which has been imported into our Odoo. Here you can see the ZID ID for all the products. Here you can find the IDs of all the products, and to check this we are going to go into the sales module. Open that. Under product we are going into the product variants. Open the product variants, and here you can see the products which has been imported. Here you can see them with their ZID IDs. So you can see these many products have been imported into your Odoo. Now after this, again we will go into the Zid module. Going into the stores, we are going into the BrowseInfo store, and in here after import we are going to click on export product button. Here click on export product, and you can see that 46 products has been exported successfully while 37 products has been failed due to some reason. So we are going to open our 46 product log which is exported successfully. So here we will go into our Zid account, and here you will find a menu for products. Go into the products, and here you will be able to see all the products which has been imported into the Zid from the Odoo. So here you can see the products. You can go into the another one by clicking on 2, and here you will find all the products with their IDs. Now After this, again, we will go into our Odoo instance. After products, we will go into the orders tab. So in here also, you can see there is one toggle for is order log. So enable that toggle and you can see the order log history is enabled. So now if you click on import orders, you can see it will throw you a validation error saying invalid or empty order data. So currently there are no orders in our Zid account yet. So here you can see we will go into the orders and from here you can click on create new order and you can create your own order in here. After that, if you click on this import order, the order will be imported into your Odoo. And here you can see the Zid dashboard. You can see the 46 products, 2 customers and your orders, which is 0 right now because we haven't imported that yet. And you can see different charts in here. You can see, and in here you can see you can select different stores in here. You can also work with multiple stores in here. You can select your store and you can see the data of that. You can filter it according to the days also, 7-day, 30-day, quarter, year and everything. Now under recent log history, here you can see that these many products have been imported or exported. Here you can see all the log activity which we just did into our store. Here you can see everything. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.